Are you considering buying a home and renting it out right away? The answer is yes, but there are important conditions. Many lenders require you to occupy the home for at least 12 months before turning it into a rental, so review your mortgage terms carefully. You should also understand local HOA rules and landlord-tenant laws, which can vary by city and affect your rental plans. Once the property becomes a rental, be sure to switch to a landlord insurance policy. Owning a rental property comes with responsibilities, including maintenance, repairs, and legal compliance. If you need to move because of a job or family situation, contact your lender to discuss possible exceptions and keep all communication in writing. Before renting your home, research local regulations, especially in cities like Seattle and Tacoma, where requirements may differ. Although the process can seem complex, many homeowners successfully make the transition from owner to landlord. If you're considering this move, our team can help.